The World Radio Day, celebrated on 13th February, is a day for global observance, celebrating freedom of expression and freedom of speech among communities across cultures. In today's world, radio, the most interactive medium, with no boundaries in reaching people of different continents, provide people, especially youth, an exchange of ideas, speak on topics of interest by using mobile platforms. In times of natural disaster, radio is also used to communicate and reach out to people affected and those which then become part of saving lives during crisis. The UNESCO initiative brings broadcasters and organizations together by planning activities to celebrate this day. And broadcasters in turn bring local communities and people to be part of this day and celebrate the more than 100 years old radio and its integral part in our society. It's a great initiative. I would ask people across the globe and broadcasters to use this platform and be part of this global broadcasting forum, which is truly a broadcasting beyond borders. We at MBC has been part of World Radio Day celebration for the last 3 years, and the team at MBC has proudly displayed the local ideas and initiatives to an international audience through this initiative. We thank all broadcasters who have been part of this program, given people an opportunity to be part of a world forum. We appreciate the efforts of UNESCO in bringing broadcasters through an engaging and interesting initiative. At Maharaja Networks, MBC and MTV, we truly believe in interacting with people of our nation and across countries for broadcasting and for news and programs. And we at MBC are proud to be part of a World Broadcasters Forum for freedom of expression and celebrating radio. I wish to thank Radio Romania and my colleagues. Thank you for inviting me and our organization to express our thoughts and wishes on your airwaves. And to the beautiful people of Romania, thank you, Romania.